Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by identifying your MSI motherboard model and gathering essentials. Open system information or BIOS to confirm the exact model and current BIOS version. This matters because drivers differ by model. Once done, create a Windows restore point and back up critical files so you can roll back if needed. Next, download the MSI support utility or Note chipset, audio, LAN, and SATA driver versions so you have the right packages ready before installing. Now you will download and stage the correct drivers. Go to MSI's support section and pick the exact model, then select the OS build. Windows 10/1164-bit usually is required. Download chipset, audio, LAN, SATA, and other relevant drivers and place them in one folder on C or a USB stick. Make sure to compare version numbers with what Device Manager shows so you update only newer packages. If a driver is an archive, extract it to a labeled folder for easy installation. You'll install drivers in a purposeful order. Chipset first to ensure proper bus handling, then LAN and audio, followed by GPU and peripheral drivers. Reboot after major installs. Once done, verify each device in Device Manager and check Event Viewer for errors. If Windows Update offers supplementary updates, accept them. If something goes wrong, use your restore point or boot safe mode to uninstall the offending driver, then reinstall the correct version. As a final tip, keep the MSI utility for future checks and BIOS updates.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.